Place 2 mosquito repellent candles in a saucepan of water over medium heat. Next, add a generous handful of cloves. These provide a warm and comforting aroma. Next, add a cinnamon stick to the mixture. Cinnamon provides a sweet and spicy aroma. Let the mixture simmer gently for at least 5 minutes. This process will allow the ingredients to release their essential oils and active ingredients. After this time, remove the saucepan from the heat and let the mixture cool slightly. Then pour the liquid into a spray bottle. Then, add a capful of isopropyl alcohol to the mixture. The alcohol not only acts as a preservative, but also helps the mixture evaporate more quickly when sprayed, making it easier to disperse into the air. Then close the spray bottle tightly and shake it gently so that all the ingredients are mixed evenly. Simply spray in areas where mosquitoes and insects tend to hang out, and not only will it keep them away, but it will also leave your home smelling pleasant and relaxing.